Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove this cover right here if you want to do any work in that particular area on the A4 B8 sedan. Just want to add at the beginning of the video, mine has foldable seats. In your case, if you do not have the foldable seats, you will just need to undo some screws from the trunk that hold your seats, your backrest, to the chassis of the car. The rest of it, it's the same for you also. And obviously this also includes removing of the cover from the D pillars. And this only stays in place with a few clips and then you slide it a bit like this. So yeah, I think this is the D pillar because this is the C pillar, which is dirty once again. I need to get my car detailed. Bought it like this, so don't blame me. Blame me just for not getting it clean since I bought it. Yeah, so let's try and use stuff from around the house, this kind of plastic tool, to get it just a bit where I can put my finger and pull gently on it, but firmly. Be very careful of what and how you insert here, because as you can see you have lots of connections for heating, antennas, airbags. You have your side airbag here, so if this goes on or out on you, you will have a very bad day. So be very, very, very careful. Your best bet is to try and put your fingers as much in and just pull it like this until you get it out. And now that it's starting to get out, it's just a matter of making sure it gets out of the lower part, because it has, don't know if you can see them, a few holes right in there in which these things enter, but I cannot get it out with one hand. This is out also, less wires in this part. Do not try to get this out, it's attached to this one. This thing, I think it has at least a few clips in this area somewhere underneath it, so I'm going to try and lift it. As you can see, it's pivoting by this area, so I'm going to try and put something underneath it to unhook those clips and then try to get it out. Found a trick around this. Put your hand underneath like this up until you can find the clip, but sadly you will not be able to see it. Okay, maybe there in the middle right by my finger. And then do the same with your other hand and just pull like this upwards, and it will undo. They are not really strong clips. It has 4 clips, one here, one about here, and one about there, and one about there. Once you have all those loose, you can see this here, you put your fingers right about here and pull like this towards you, towards the camera. As you can see, this end is loose. I will go and do the same in the other end. This is not loose, as you can see, so I'm pulling slightly. Kind of hard to do while filming. Yeah, it's tricky. But it worked on the other side, but I cannot do it while filming at the same time. Yeah, you just have to pull on it like a crazy person and just make sure you do not grab onto any of the cables, because if you break those, again, really bad day. And now all this is loose and I can get it out by wiggling it around through these cables. And we are done. 1, 2, 3 top tethers directly in the frame of the car, which is quite good. And I'm going to do this thing all over again in the summer when I'm going to put a subwoofer right in there. So that is going to be fun once again, but at least now I know how exactly to do it, and always the second time they go out way easier.